Hello, Jeff Helvin here with Ballen Brands, and today I want to show you how to insert custom codes into your Elementor Page Builder. So Elementor is a design builder in WordPress, and oftentimes we might find ourselves wanting to do maybe some social media like some Facebook advertising or maybe some Google pay-per-click, things like that, and we need to insert a tracking code. And in some cases, it's for verifying our domain name, different services. But what'll happen is we get a piece of code and we're told to either put it in the header of the website on all pages or the footer of the website, sometimes within the body content. So what we're trying to do here is we want to find a simple way to add that code so that we don't run into any challenges and that it works as intended. So what's great about Elementor is it's actually built in. If you have a standard WordPress website, you can get plugins sometimes that you can install for headers and footer scripts. Some are better than others, but in Elementor, there's actually an option built right in, which is fantastic. So I'm going to show you how to do that. First step here is we are on a website. I'm already logged in, so you see my admin bar up here. So I'm going to go ahead and click on the dashboard. And we're going to go here under Elementor. So when I have Elementor installed, it shows up here on the left side. And there's several things in here. We go over those in different videos, but in this case, we're just going to go to custom code. All right, so on this page, I actually already have footer scripts installed, or set up, I should say, as an option. But what if I need header scripts, right? A lot of times I'll find, we'll get a meta tag from, let's say, like Google Sitekit or one of those to verify that we own the website. So if they give us that header, then I need to add header code as well, not just footer scripts. So in this case, I'm going to come right up here and click on Add New. And then you're going to see, we're going to give it a title. So in this case, we'll call it Header Scripts. And you'll see it's asking where we want the location. So there's a head content. Obviously, that's what we're doing right now. Then there's the body, which is the start. And then there's the end body at the end. So this would be the equivalent of a footer. Because it shows up at the bottom of the website. So basically, after all of the rest of the content is on the page and loaded, then this particular code loads. So that's what we're looking for here. So in this case, we're going to do head, and we can also set priorities. Now what this means is I can actually have 3 or 4 different header scripts and footer scripts. I can create multiples, and I can give different ones different priorities. If you don't really know what that's for, this is kind of a more advanced feature. So if you don't have that need or don't understand that, then I would just simply leave it alone, because then that way, you don't have to mess with extra things. We don't want to create extra code or extra spots for things to show up in. So we don't want to do that either. So in this case, if I had, meta, we're just making one up here, then I would have that in here, and I would just go ahead and hit publish. And then it asks, where do you want to display your code? Now in this case, we want to go ahead and do it on the entire site. So it's sometimes you might only want to have headings in a particular page just to load a special JavaScript or something like that to make something function on a particular page. So this gives us the option actually to choose that here. But in this case, we're going to go ahead and do entire site. So we'll hit save and close. And there we go. So the custom code has been published. So now that meta tag here should be in our, let's go pull that up and find out. All right, we're going to view, let's see, where's my show page source? And then there should be a, let's look for it here. Meta, what did I do, meta tag? All right, so meta, there it is, meta tag here. So you can see it's in the actual code here that's been set up, and there you go. So if you need to verify any code in, like I said, Facebook, like a Facebook pixel, or maybe your Google Analytics, something like that, then this is where you're going to go to do that. So if you have any questions on this, by all means, you can reach out to us at team@ballenbrands.com.